Holy shit, this is crazy! Is this still the road?
What you doing, Mo?
Watch the fender there. Somehow I've like convinced these supermoto guys to go on a supermoto ride with me. I don't have a supermoto. Got my brother, got Llama back there, and Motard Matt somewhere back there. Let's go do things that are inappropriate. What a lovely ride we're having. I'm not stressed at all. What am I doing? Just supermoto the FZ, Jake. Why do people say that? What do they think that means? Like, do you want me to like take the suspension off, put long travel suspension and spoked wheels? Do you want me to build my own T7? Oh, whoa, that's a ditch. Oh, that's a tree branch. I got air off. Did I snap the lug in half? That was a dead end up there? Well, is this still the road? This is crazy, dude. This path is quickly getting off. Okay, this looks a little better. Wait, what's this way? This is awesome. Look, there's literally grass and shit up into the tarl parts.
Welcome to the 2018 whole rock skipping competition. Okay, here goes Derek. That was like 12. I don't even fucking know. What do you got, Ian? Horrible. There was Matt. Matt was a Boy Scout, is an Eagle Scout, and I was highly disappointed with that. Ah! Was that a piece of damn wood? Boys, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm waiting to see you loop in this grass. Is that a bounce house? Hey, Bubs. Woo! That's a good bump. Thanks for the warning, Matt. There's that water treatment. This is fresh water, not shit water. Now I have to go down that hill, which is, I'm much more happy going up than down. Y'all might want to go in front of me. This isn't half bad. What am I doing? Y'all's bikes, we can get over this super easy. Mine, we can't. We have to like pick it up and carry it over this. Less than 100 pounds a person. It's up to y'all. Okay.
Once we get to the back wheel, I'm just gonna try and pick it up and roll it over.
Holy shit, this is crazy! Yes! Fuck yeah, dude! Oh, we did that, man! Fuck yeah! We got it. This is the worst highway I've ever seen. All right, turn around then, quick. Let's go, boys. Whoa, this has been the rim territory. Did you crash? I got Ricky Carmichael bars on my bike. That makes it a dirt bike, right? Got pillow top grips, and I've got an ambition to do stupid things. Caution. What does it say? I don't know. I can't read. Uh-oh. Let's see where this goes. Woo! I'm getting air off it. Are we braking? Oh, watch out. I almost killed you.
What you doing, Mo?
Water is, dude.
Is it cold?
Oh, yeah.
It smells like tap water, doesn't it?
It's not that exciting, but it's a big old fan.
Oh my God, that's some fucking... You can do the future, you can jump over here.
Right
Watch the fender there too so it doesn't... Oh, you motherfuckers are amazing. I'm doing the biggest stoppie I've ever done.
There she is.
What you doing, Bubs? Alright. There's a cop there, so no one do anything too terrible. Damn tractors up here, boys! Look at these things. Well, they're all just running. I gotta show my friends my new favorite place to hang out. There. There it goes. That was bound to happen. Ah! Got it. You can almost start doing things like in Grand Theft Auto that you know are not really possible in the dirt, you know? Like, you can't just normally just stand and just shimmy sideways. Hello, it's perfect. What's happening? It's cool because it makes a lot of noise. It sounds like you're doing something, but you're really just spitting the shit out of the tire. Oh no, the gate's closed, boys. This is the most secure gate I've ever seen. My only real fear is spinning a cast rim. Remember, if we run into the farmer, we all have the same excuse. The GPS. The seat's hot. What the fuck? Why is it so hot? Is Matt dead? Sody pop.
Some boys round here drinking that ice cold beer. Talk about girls, talk about trucks. On a steel horse I ride. I'm
I have a lack of suspension and my oil pan is the lowest hanging thing on this bike. Do you watch Philip DeFranco at all? Every day. My favorite one is when he goes, "Welcome to the Friday show where we do things differently here." And then he just does the same show he always does. It's like, just do the Friday show, guy.